Okay, now we are located near the switchgear and near the 3 electrolyzer buildings. The first one is finished. We start the installation of the equipment from Siemens electrolyzer today. We are located near the hydrogen compressor buildings. We will have the hydrogen from the electrolyzer house coming out with below 1 bar coming into the compressor and will be lifted up to 35 bars. This is the 5 foundation we have. Each slab is 170 tons and we have 5 of them. Here are we located in the CO2 area. The trucks will come here from the biogas plant and unload the biogas to the 2 tanks. The 2 tanks have 360 tons CO2 and we will evaporate it to the production line 7 tons per hour. Below the ground we have dug down 70 kilometers of piping for wastewater and for surface water and for electrical cabling. Next year we plan to finish the total plant, and for the 2 production lines, 1 and 2, we plan to produce 32,000 tons of methanol, and we will send that to our customer by the trucks from the site.